Hello friends, I am CSJAS. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're good, fine and doing well at your homes. So today I'm here to announce another special live classes on Unacademy. Again, we will be meeting on 13th and 14th of September 2021. If you don't already know, I have already given 4 special classes on Unacademy regarding the strategies and approach for attempting single module and both modules. And now I'm coming up on 13th and 14th September sharp at 7 p.m. On 13th September, that is on Monday, we will discuss the timetable for single module in CS Executive. So whether you are sitting for module 1 or 2, we will be discussing the timetable in detail. And on 14th Tuesday, we will be discussing the timetable for attempting both modules in CS Executive. And if you're planning to sit in both modules, we will be discussing that timetable also in detail. So I hope all of you will join me on Unacademy for this special live class sharp at 7 p.m. These special live classes are totally free of cost. Just use my code CSJAS. And you can find the link to both classes in the description box below. Above all, if you already don't know, Unacademy offers awesome courses for CA, CS and CMA students. So you should go and check their course and buy a subscription. And while buying a subscription, do take care to use my code, that is CSJAS, to get 10% flat discount. Yes, you can get 10% flat discount on any subscription, whether it's for CA, whether it's for CS or CMA or any other course. Just use my code CSJAS and get flat 10% discount on any subscription on Unacademy. I hope you will be joining me on 13th and 14th, that is Monday and Tuesday, for discussing the timetable for exams. So see you there. Bye.